doing? What are you girls doing?
Don't hit it. Don't hit it. Okay.
Okay.
Don't hit it.
Belly, what are you girls doing?
Taking care of Daddy.
You're taking care of Daddy? Why?
Because you're not feeling good.
Because Daddy's not feeling good? What's wrong with him?
You don't feel good.
What?
Daddy, you can have these towels.
What doesn't feel good?
Okay. Thank you.
Daddy.
What part of Daddy doesn't feel good?
Good.
His knee? Yeah. You girls are doing a very good job taking care of Daddy. Thank you. Did Daddy get kisses, Lily?
Yes.
Yes, he gets kisses?
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
hold
you
on.
ready to go on?
Hold on.
There you wait.
Daddy, do you want this towel too?
No, I have enough, honey. Thank you.
You girls are good, so good to your daddy.
Daddy, you're not feeling well because you gotta get towels.
Thank you for helping, Belly. Daddy now has lots of towels on his lap. Of course, they're wet from their bath.